Assalamu alaikum everyone. What's going on? I think everybody is very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Mani Hossain. I am present here from Shariatpur. Today I am very satisfied to everyone and I am especially thanks to authority of the English Fantasy for giving a prominent opportunities to say something about in front of everyone. Right now I am describing a topic. This topic is why we should come here in English fantasy. First of all, we have to know about English fantasy. What is English fantasy? English fantasy is not only language institute, but also it is door that's open a lot of students sparkle future, and it is learned to teach new things. Whenever they come in English fantasy, they will get a sparkle environment that is very effective for our conversation. And whenever the student will come in English fantasy, they will get a conversation with together. I think it is also effective for encouraging their English spoken. I would like to say about English fantasy teaching system. I cannot explain teaching system of English fantasy because the teacher of English fantasy are very frankly benevolent and sympathetical. They always try to give us according to correct guideline, and they always to give us some prominent guidelines. Whenever we check our class, the all teacher try to memorize all topic in the class. For this reason, the student is on to take topic another time. You will be under hearing a rules according to of authority that if you use that English Bengali word use is totally prohibited in the English fantasy. If you use Bengali use, you have to pay 10 taka a word. For we have to avoid this. We have to avoid this Bengali language. It will be very effective for you. Whenever you avoid this Bengali language, you can encourage your spoken. So if you would like to learn English spoken with and take IELTS with band score, you have to come in English fantasy. For I would like to suggest that you have to learn English fantasy. You need to come English fantasy. You don't delay to come here. Okay. Thank you everyone.